When I look into the mirror.
We're here at the village table experience Umhlanga.
To celebrate the village table experience at the Pearls. They call it the hidden gem, eh?
It's the first time ngilana and I'm so happy and yabo nje ukuba sendaweni kanje ngizizwa nami ngive ngempela.
Iboneleke kuhle winqephu kumnandi. The drinks are nice. We are socializing. Siyaxoxa kumnandi.
Get to socialize with abantu like the owners of this place and then we see some of our colleagues are here. It's a beautiful place and we enjoy to be here.
Really great restaurant, beautiful place to be at. As you can see, you'll see even later on, there's some beautiful celebrities here on tonight together with us. So we at CMH Nissan Belito, we have partnered with them. We have provided the transportation for all the lovely ladies and gentlemen that's here tonight. We're actually launching the brand new Nissan X-Trail, which you'll find parked outside here in the back. Absolutely amazing vehicle. What a stunning one. We're based at Nissan in Belito. So hit us up if you guys need any vehicles, any Nissan vehicles, or any vehicle for that matter. We've got our used car stand there as well. Let us know what you guys need, as well as we will take you through to the night to celebrate the village table today.
We love you.